Have you ever felt like you're running on a treadmill, chasing dreams that never seem to get closer? Promotions, relationships, wealth, no matter how hard you hustle, they slip through your fingers. What if I told you the secret to attracting anything isn't about chasing at all? In fact, the more you chase, the more you push your desires away. Today, we're diving into the timeless wisdom of Neville Goddard, a visionary who taught that true power lies not in effort, but in being. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to shift from exhaustion to effortless creation. Stay until the end, because what you discover might just rewrite the story of your life. Let's start with a question: why do we chase? Society tells us success demands grinding, hustling, and sacrificing. We're taught that if we want something, we must claw our way toward it. But Neville Goddard flipped this script entirely. He said, stop chasing. Start being. That's how you attract anything. At its core, this philosophy isn't about laziness, it's about alignment. Imagine planting a seed. You don't dig it up daily to check its progress, you trust the soil, the rain, the sun. Similarly, Neville taught that your desires are already yours in the unseen realm of imagination. Your job isn't to chase them, it's to embody the version of yourself who already has them. Let's break this down with a story. Meet Sarah. Sarah spent years chasing validation at work, staying late, taking on extra projects, and pleading for a promotion. But the harder she worked, the more invisible she felt. Then she discovered Neville's concept of living in the end. Instead of begging for a promotion, she began acting as if she'd already received it. She dressed like a leader, spoke with confidence in meetings, and visualized signing emails with her new title. Within weeks, her boss called her into the office, not because she'd chased, but because her energy had shifted. She'd become the person who deserved the role. This is the law of assumption. Neville said, assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled, and your assumption will harden into fact. Your outer world is a mirror of your inner state. When you chase, you broadcast desperation, a signal that you lack what you want. But when you emit certainty, and the universe has no choice but to reflect that certainty back. Think of it like Wi-Fi, you can't see the signal, but when your device is tuned to the right frequency, connection is effortless. So, how do you tune in? Start by asking, who would I be if I already had what I desire? How would I walk, talk, or spend my time? Live that answer now, not tomorrow, not when it happens, but today. Skeptical? Let's talk science. Quantum physics shows that particles exist in multiple states until observed. Your consciousness, your assumptions, collapse possibilities into reality. When you fixate on lack, you collapse lack. When you dwell in fulfillment, you collapse fulfillment. This isn't magic, it's the physics of imagination. Neville's teachings align with this. Your mind isn't just a bystander, it's the architect. So, the next time you feel the urge to chase, pause. Close your eyes. Step into the version of you that's already won. That's how you flip the script from chasing to attracting. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. How do I be when my bank account, relationships, or reality scream otherwise? This is where most people stumble. They try to manifest for a day, get discouraged, and revert to chasing. But Neville's method requires something deeper, mental discipline. It's not about ignoring reality, it's about refusing to let reality dictate your inner world. Imagine two painters, one stares at a blank canvas and sees only emptiness. The other closes their eyes, envisions a masterpiece, and paints with unwavering faith. Which one creates art? Let's use an example. John wanted a loving relationship. He'd spend hours swiping on dating apps, buying flashy clothes, and rehearsing pickup lines, all while radiating anxiety. Unsurprisingly, he attracted flaky partners. Then he applied Neville's teaching, revise your self-concept. Instead of chasing love, John began waking up each morning affirming, I am loved. I am worthy. I am a magnet for deep connection. Asterisk he deleted the apps, not out of resignation, but to focus on being the partner he wanted to attract. He cooked meals for one, danced in his living room, and wrote love letters to his future soulmate. Within months, he met someone, not in a bar, but at a bookstore, where he'd gone to enjoy his own company. This highlights Neville's most radical idea: circumstances don't matter, only your state of being does. If you're waiting for proof to feel secure, you'll wait forever. Security isn't found in external validation, it's built by stubbornly living in the emotional reality of your desires. Think of it as building a mental home for your dreams. The more time you spend there, the more real it becomes. Neville called this asterisk occupying the state. Asterisk it's not denial, it's creation. But here's the catch, your old habits will fight back. Doubt will whisper, asterisk this isn't working. Asterisk when that happens, ask yourself, am I reacting to the past or creating the future? Every moment is a choice. You can't control external events, but you can control where you dwell mentally. Neville advised nightly visualization sessions, a mental diet where you rehearse your desired reality until it feels more real than the outside world. Over time, this reshapes your subconscious, and your actions begin to align effortlessly with your goals. So, what's the takeaway? Chasing is rooted in fear, the fear that you're not enough, that time is running out, that life is against you. Asterisk. Being is rooted in faith, the unshakable knowing that you are the operant power of your life. As Neville famously said, asterisk change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world you live in. Asterisk your assignment. For the next 24 hours, act as if you're the person who already has what you desire. Watch how the world bends to meet you. And if you're ready to go deeper, stick around, we've got more life-changing insights coming your way.